While you were on the phone scheduling a plumber visit for the slow kitchen drain, the fix was sitting in your pantry, 3 feet from the sink, on the same shelf where it has been sitting since you moved in. Baking soda, white vinegar, salt. You have all three right now. You have had all three every single time that drain backed up, and every single time you walked past them, grabbed your phone, and called someone who charges $100 to sort of $300 to do what these three ingredients do for 40 cents while you sleep. Not because you are careless, because nobody ever told you. The plumber who shows up at your door is not going to hand you a recipe card that eliminates the need for his next visit. The cleaning aisle at the grocery store is not going to put a sign over the baking soda saying, "This clears drains better than the $20 jug of chemicals beside it." And the home improvement shows on television are not going to dedicate a segment to something that costs less than a piece of fruit and requires zero expertise. Every year, American households spend over $1.5 billion on drain cleaning products and plumber visits for clogs. The overwhelming majority of those clogs, kitchen grease, bathroom soap scum, hair-bound and organic residue, dissolve completely with a chemical reaction that a fourth grader can explain. Baking soda and vinegar. Acid meets base. Carbon dioxide gas erupts through the clog from the inside. The blockage breaks apart. It rinses away. Done. Your kid built a volcano at the science fair using this exact reaction. Baking soda in the volcano crater. Vinegar poured on top. Foam everywhere. That is the same chemistry. Scaled down, directed into a pipe, and left overnight to work through a grease clog that the $20 chemical jug would have attacked with caustic heat that damages the pipe from the inside. The drain cleaning industry did not suppress baking soda and vinegar because the method failed. They buried it under an aisle of branded products because you cannot charge $20 for something that costs 40 cents and already sits in every kitchen in America. This is the story of the cheapest drain fix in existence. And the 40-cent overnight method, a $1.5 billion industry, prays you never try before you call the plumber. If these stories matter to you, the subscribe button and the bell are the best way to make sure this knowledge survives. And if you want the complete protocol with all 60 hacks that save households over $4,000 a year, the link is in the description. Now let me show you why this works. Because the chemistry is embarrassingly simple, and that is exactly why nobody sells it. When sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, contacts acetic acid, vinegar, the reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, water, and sodium acetate. The gas is what matters. Those CO2 bubbles form violently inside the pipe, expanding in every direction at once, physically forcing their way through the organic material that makes up the clog. The bubbles push into the grease from the inside. They break the structure apart. They open pathways through the blockage that water can then flush clean. This is not gentle. If you've ever watched a baking soda volcano erupt across a kitchen table, you know the force involved. Now imagine that force contained inside a 2-inch pipe, directed entirely at the clog, with nowhere to go but through it. The sodium acetate left behind is a mild salt, harmless to PVC, harmless to metal, harmless to old pipes, harmless to septic systems. Compare that to the sodium hydroxide in commercial drain cleaners that generates near boiling heat inside your pipe. PVC softens at 140 degrees. A chemical drain cleaner reaction can climb well past that. Every application weakens your plumbing. Every weakened joint is a future leak. Every leak is a future repair bill that dwarfs the cost of the clog you were trying to clear. The 40-cent fix clears the clog without touching the pipe. The $20 fix clears the clog by attacking the pipe. One leaves your plumbing intact. The other quietly creates the next expensive problem. If you have made it this far, you understand drain chemistry better than 99% of homeowners reaching for the chemical jug under the sink right now. Subscribe and share this with someone whose kitchen drain has been backing up every month for the past year. Now, what I just walked you through handles the chemistry. But drain maintenance is one bill out of dozens that most households are overpaying every month. I put together a complete protocol covering 60 hacks just like this one, each one replacing an expensive product or service with something that costs almost nothing. Households running the full system are saving over $4,000 a year. The link is in the description. But stay right here because the overnight method that handles the worst clogs is coming next. Method 1, the quick clear, for a drain that is slow but still moving. Start by pouring a full kettle of hot tap water down the drain. Not boiling off the stove, hot from the tap, around 120 degrees. This softens whatever grease is coating the pipe walls and warms the environment so the reaction works faster. Wait 2 minutes. Then pour half a cup of baking soda straight down the drain. Let it sit for 5 minutes. It needs to settle down into the pipe and make contact with the clog material. Now pour 1 cup of white vinegar down after it. You will hear the fizzing immediately. That is the CO2 erupting through the organic buildup. Cover the drain opening with a wet cloth or a plug. This is the step most people skip, and it is the one that makes the difference. Covering the drain forces the gas pressure downward through the clog, and instead of upward back into the sink where it does nothing. The covered drain turns a gentle fizz into a pressurized assault on the blockage. Wait 15 to 30 minutes. Then flush with another round of hot tap water for 2 full minutes. The loosened material rinses away. For most slow drains, kitchen grease, soap residue, light bathroom buildup, 1 round is enough. Method 2. The overnight heavy clear, for drains that are barely moving or completely stopped. This is the version that handles the clogs the quick method cannot reach. It works because it adds salt, and the salt does something the baking soda and vinegar alone cannot. Before bed, pour half a cup of table salt down the drain. Follow it with half a cup of baking soda. Do not add water yet. Let the dry mixture sit in the pipe for 10 minutes so it settles down onto the clog. Now pour 1 cup of white vinegar on top. The fizzing starts. Cover the drain immediately with a wet cloth or stopper. The pressure builds against the blockage. Walk away. Go to bed. Leave it all night. A full 8 hours minimum. During those hours, the salt is doing work the other 2 ingredients cannot. Salt is a crystalline abrasive. It physically scours the inside of the pipe walls as the reaction pushes the mixture through the system. It breaks the bond between hardened grease and the pipe surface, and it creates a hypertonic environment that draws moisture out of organic blockages. The same osmotic principle that pulls moisture out of a slug when you sprinkle salt on it. The clog dehydrates, shrinks, and weakens from the outside, while the CO2 attacks it from the inside. In the morning, flush with hot tap water for 3 full minutes. Run it longer than you think you need to. You want every dissolved particle pushed all the way through the system and out. For severe clogs that have been building for months, run the overnight method 2 nights in a row. If the drain is still completely blocked after 2 rounds, the problem is probably not organic buildup. It is a physical obstruction or a structural issue that needs a mechanical snake, not chemistry. Method 3. Monthly prevention. The method that makes sure you never need method 1 or 2 again. Once a month, same night, every month, set a phone reminder. Pour half a cup of baking soda down every drain in the house. Kitchen sink, bathroom sinks, shower, bathtub. Follow each with 1 cup of vinegar. Cover each drain. Wait 30 minutes. Flush with hot tap water. Total time, 15 minutes for the whole house. Total cost, approximately 20 cents. Total drain clogs per year after 6 months of this habit, close to 0. The monthly fizz clears whatever trace buildup accumulated during the month before it has a chance to narrow the pipe. Prevention's always cheaper than repair, and 20 cents is always cheaper than $300. What this will not fix: tree roots growing into your sewer lateral, a collapsed pipe section underground, a solid object lodged in the pipe, a toy, a utensil, a chunk of something too large to dissolve, and toilet clogs. Toilets block by different physics and need a flange plunger or an auger, not chemistry poured into the bowl. Safety. Never pour baking soda and vinegar into a drain that already has commercial chemical cleaner sitting in it. You do not know what reaction you are creating by mixing chemistry you cannot see. If you already poured a chemical product and it did not work, flush the drain with plain water for 10 minutes before trying anything else. And never pour boiling water into PVC pipes. Hot tap water is the safe limit. A woman in suburban Portland had been calling the same plumber twice a year for her kitchen drain. $275 per visit. After the 3rd visit in 18 months, the plumber's apprentice quietly told her to try baking soda and vinegar overnight before calling next time. She ran the overnight method with salt on a Sunday night. Monday morning the drain ran clear. That was 2 years ago. She's been running the monthly prevention method since. 0 plumber visits, 0 chemical purchases. Her total drain maintenance cost over those 2 years, approximately $5 in baking soda and vinegar. The plumber would have collected $1,100 over the same period for a problem that 40 cents of pantry ingredients handled while she slept. The chemistry inside that $20 jug of drain cleaner generates near boiling caustic heat that partially dissolves the clog, while softening your PVC joints and corroding your metal fittings, guaranteeing a weakened system that leaks or reclogs within months. And the chemistry inside 40 cents of baking soda, vinegar, and salt produces pressurized CO2 that physically breaks the clog apart from the inside, while leaving every pipe surface completely untouched. One requires a recurring purchase and quietly creates the next repair bill. The other requires a pantry, a wet cloth over the drain, and 8 hours of sleep. $1.5 billion in annual drain cleaning revenue depends on you never pouring 40 cents of baking soda and vinegar down your drain before bed. $20 chemical jugs depend on you believing that clearing a grease clog requires a caustic reaction hot enough to warp plastic. And $300 plumber visits depend on you never learning that the fix was sitting on your pantry shelf 3 feet from the sink every single time the drain backed up. This knowledge did not disappear because it stopped working. It disappeared because it was too cheap and too simple for anyone to build a product line around it. Carbon dioxide does not care about brand names. An acid-base reaction does not negotiate with chemical company marketing. And a box of baking soda that has been sitting in your pantry since the day you moved in has never charged a licensing fee. If this video changed how you think about the slow drain in your kitchen, the chemical jug under your sink, or the 3 pantry ingredients that have been sitting 3 feet from the problem this entire time, then subscribe and share it now. Every single share puts this knowledge in front of someone who is about to spend $300 on a phone call when the fix is already in their kitchen. And every subscription keeps this channel digging deeper into the secrets they thought were sealed forever. The full protocol with all 60 hacks is in the description. Everything in the industry buried in one place.